This is Kaylee's. She took some bites. This is Pumbaa's.
You didn't record yours?
Mm-hmm.
These look so gourmet.
I'm still making Pumbaa's. Is it good? Yeah. And then I decided to put it in slow motion. So this was me eating breakfast, and then we went to Walmart, and I drove my car. We were looking at cards, and Kaylee decided to look at all of the cactus hot dog things. And then we were looking at all the Spider-Man stuff, and then this kid dropped something and me and Kaylee laughed. And then I found a Spider-Man bop it, and I was shocked. But it kind of didn't make sense, like how to play it. More Spider-Man. We're into Spider-Man right now. And then I bought this one. Kaylee has the red one of it. And then it was really aesthetic when we cracked these at the same time, but she couldn't hear it. And then here I was like talking, and I showed you guys my outfit, and we were leaving to my dad's house. And then me and Pumbaa ate, and the audio's back.
Amazing.
We're sitting under the heater.
Thank God.
Very yummy.
I just said something that was
just graduated from nursing school, and this came on the cake. Pumbaa, why are you doing drugs?
I'm sorry. Okay.
I'm late. I'm gonna eat it. Let's see what it's made of. Oh, it's just straight fondant. Mmm, so tasty.
Drugs.
We're gonna do what's in my bag, but silent because we don't want to get copyrighted.
Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left.
In my car. We're leaving.